last time I put oil in this thing, it took stick. Well, there's number 5. Alright folks, y'all want to hear the rod knock? Nah, just joking. It only rattles a little bit. Well, there you go. It still runs for a little while anyway. Get you a little bit closer here. I'm going to check it again. See what that 5 quarts did. Like I said, 6. I'm gonna put the 6th one in it because it looks like it's a quart low to me. And that would be number 6. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, she's at the full line now. Look at this fancy Edelbrock oil cover. Yeah, ta-da! So fancy. Whoa. Let's go fire this thing up and take a look at the oil pressure gauge. That's it right there. Yeah, look at all that Edelbrock garbage. I guess we're still recording. I'm a little bit new at these GoPros. I got an app where I'm running it from my phone. Can we see the oil pressure gauge there? That's it at the bottom, and that's the temperature gauge up above, sitting at about 160. Look at the oil pressure. Ooh, the oil pressure moves. I guess it's a little better than it was. Considering the holes in this engine are probably worn 60 over. The pistons are rattling in the holes. It's so worn out. She still runs though. Hope y'all enjoyed.